This is in the dog building. This will be kennel number 1. He's a male mix. He is, I think, light heartworm positive. This guy is Tiger. The owner hadn't picked him up yet. He's neutered, microchip. Really cool dog, sweet. He's a female. This is number 3. A female pit mix. Number 3. Number 4 is another female pit mix. These guys, I think are cute. They're this is number 5 kennel, and there are 2 of those, and they're really cute if you see them in person. This is a chocolate lab and a black lab, and they are light heartworm positive. They need a home as well.